All right, so this has to be the last one. I'm running out of batteries, so we're finishing up here. Let's create this interaction variable that I've been talking about. We go to transform. If you'll go to the screen, I'll go from there. Transform compute. We are going to compute a variable called jobs no high. That's what they're going to call it. I'm going to call it jobs no high 2 because I have a feeling I've made this variable before in another class. So what is it going to be? It's going to be variable names. We're going to, like I just told you, we're going to multiply these two things together. You're going to need to make sure you know how these things are measured. You know, you've got 0, 1, 2 jobs, because that will determine the interpretation of these variables. So our jobs. In other words, I want you need to read carefully page 192 and then even 193. Okay? I don't have time to do that right now. So, oops. Another scale 3. And right there. And we hit label. We're going to call this enviro jobs times no scale 3. It's always a good idea to do that so you know what you created. So simply this times this. You can actually type these in. Sometimes it's faster. Then you got to go down here and pick if. All right. And so when we hit if, it brings this, and we're going to include if the case satisfies this condition. And you have to write in here, not missing, and then a parentheses, enviro jobs, and there's an ampersand here, there it is, and not missing, no scale 3. All right, put that in there and hit continue. And then you're ready to create your variable. You hit OK. The variable's created. Let's use the variable. I'm trying to speed through this. Analyze, regression, linear. So basically, we are modeling this relationship in a regression analysis. So analyze, regression, linear. Was it Obama therm? No, rep therm. So kick that out and we can find rep therm. Rep therm is there. We get all this stuff out of here. And what do we want? We want enviro jobs. Your views on the environment versus jobs trade-off should inform how close you feel to the Republican Party, how warm you are or cold. And then we got to include knowledge scale 3 because that's part of our interaction variable. And our last one here is jobs no high. That's what we created just a second ago. We put that in there. We hit OK. Yeah, that's everything. We get this. All right, and I have already put it over here to speed things up. So, Cravens, if you'll sit over here. So what we can do is we can, in your textbook, this is part of your assignment, is going to say, all right, how about a person who loves jobs over the environment, but they are very low level political information. What would be their predicted feeling thermometer score for the Republican thermometer, for the Republican Party? Well, we put our constant in there. We've got 1.2. X1 is this environment versus jobs trade-off. You get a 1 if you love the environment, a 2 if you're neutral, and then a 3 if you love jobs. So I just said this person was really pro jobs. So we're going to give them a 3. Then we have X2. We said that they were very low levels of political information. We're going to make them a 1 then, because 1 was low, 2 was moderate, 3 was somebody who had a lot of political information. So this is a low level. We're going to put that 1 in there. And then a 4.9, excuse me, Enviro Jobs Knowledge Scale. So let's see, what was this person? They were a 1. They were a 3 for jobs, a 3, and the knowledge scale is a 1, so 3 times 1 is 3. And then we would solve it. Y equals 49.3 plus 3.6 minus 6.7 plus 14.7, and so y hat equals, let's see if we can just do this in our head. 49.3 plus 3.6 is 52.9. Then we go down to 46.2, and then we're going to boost it back up to 60.9. I may have gotten that a little off, but I think that's pretty close. So you could throw in, let's make this person love the environment and super knowledgeable. If they love the environment and they're super knowledgeable, this number should be a lot lower, okay? If we made this person super knowledgeable and love jobs, this number should be higher. All right, what are we looking at? What time?
7 minutes.
Stop. All right.